In this question, we need to find the area of shaded region. For that, we need to find the area of the quarter circle and area of semicircle. So let's see how we can find the area of the shaded region. First of all, let's find the area of quarter circle. Area of quarter circle is pi r square upon 4. Correct? Pi r square upon 4. What is the radius of quarter circle? As we can clearly see that this is the quarter circle and radius is 3 units. Correct? So let's find the area. This will be pi 3 square upon 4, which will give us 9 pi by 4 unit square. Correct? Similarly, let's find the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2. What is the radius of semicircle? This is the semicircle, non-shaded semicircle. The radius of semicircle is 3 by 2. Yes, this is the radius of semicircle. So this will be pi, radius is 3 by 2 whole square upon 2. This will give us 9 pi by 8 unit square. So what will be the area of shaded region? The area of shaded region will be area of quarter circle minus area of semicircle. So our final answer will be 9 pi by 8 unit square. This will be the area of shaded region.